Good evening, students. Welcome to the Bodhi Academy live session. Today, we will be studying puzzles. Puzzles. Last time we did box-based puzzle. This time we'll be doing floor-based puzzle. Okay. So now, just like the box-based, floor-based also have the to 8 to 9 or 1 in a in some story on next story depend on the question, and accordingly we have to arrange them in a particular manner. Okay, like who is staying in the first floor, who is staying in the second floor, who is staying in the third floor. Now, the question given in front of you is 9% R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z are living in a 9-floor building such that the lowermost floor is numbered as 1 and the floor just above the lowermost floor is numbered as 2 and so on. So it's simple and it's obviously common sense. The topmost will be given as the highest floor, and after that, the bottom will be given as the lowest floor. You can say as the ground floor. Now, first, we will arrange our base like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. After that, we will draw our possibilities. Like always, I tell you, go with the minimum 2 possibility. 2 to 3 to avoid the chaos at the end. Okay. Now, first line. T lives on a 5th floor. Now, T lives on a 5th floor. I will write everywhere. Y lives below T but does not live on an odd number floor. That means Y will be living on the even number floor. So Y should be below 4, below 5. That means Y will either live on 4 or second. So Y will live either on the 4th or on the second. Y will live either on the 4th or on the second. Now this is done. So this line is also done. Now, only one person lives between Y and S. Now, in the second case, if you see, if I say this is the first case, this is the second case, and this is the third case. So in the first case, 2 possibilities. One person lives between Y and S. So either S will come here, or I will take this as a third case. So in that case, S will come here. But in the second case, there is only one way that S will come. Only one person is living between Y and S. Now, U lives 2 floors above S. Now, U lives 2 floors above S means what? If U is living here, 2 floors above is this. 2 floors above means gap of 1 floor. Now, next line is 4 floors are between. So first I will arrange U everywhere. You will come here. You will come here. In the first case, you will not come at the Y. So first is now 4 floors are between U and Z. Now, if you see that the second case, we cannot go upward, so we have to come downside. So 5, 4, 3, 2. 4 floors gap between U and Z. Similarly, 4 floor gap between Y and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 will not come at the Y. So again, third case is also discarded. Now the number of floors above Z is same as the number of floor below W. So above Z is everyone. So below W also everyone. Now R lives one of the floor above X. R lives one of the floor above X. X does not live below B. That means X who does not live below B. So X is not living below B. So X is living somewhere above B. So arrangement will be like this: R, X, and B. Then next, V and S are not on the adjacent floor. V and S are not on the adjacent floor. I think in this question we missed something. Yeah. In the second condition, sorry, the third condition, T and Y are okay, but only one person is living between Y and S. So in that case, S will come here. Sorry, I took it on the seventh one. And then you lives two floor above S. So you will come here. In this case, Z will come. 1, 2, 3, 4% gap Z will come here. Now, number of floors above Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of floor below W also should be 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So W will come here. And now R, X, and V. So now we have two conditions at the end. One is second one and one is third one. But according to the last statement, V and S are not live on the adjacent floor. So second condition, which is V and S are staying together, will be discarded. So at the end, your third condition will sustain. Note it down, take a screenshot. Now, once we make our question, the sub question, once we arrange our puzzle, the sub questions are very easy. See, who among the following person is living on the floor number 3? Floor number 3 is who? Z. Okay. Now, Z is the one who is living two floor above you? No. S, no. R, no. The one who is living immediately above X? Yes. The one who is living immediately above S. Option number D. So once we arrange our puzzle, then the things become very simple. So we'll move to the next question. This is your next question. You can try along with me. Seven people P, Q, R, S, T, U, V are staying in a floor, different floors of the hotel, such that the bottommost floor is numbered as 1 and the floor just above the bottommost is numbered as 2. So this instruction will be same everywhere. Okay. Now, V stays, so we have to draw first 7 floor. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, I will draw 3 conditions. Condition number 1, 2, and 3. Now, first line, V stays on an even number floor. So that means V will come either on 2, 4, or 6. P stays 2 floor above V. Now P is staying 2 floor above V. That means gap of 1. So in that case, V cannot come on the 6th floor. So only 2 conditions will be available. If V is coming on the 4th, P will come on the 6th. If V is coming on the 2nd, P will come on the 4th. Now in that case, V cannot come on the 6th. If V comes on the floor number 6, then P has to go on the floor number 8, which is not possible in this question. Now, two persons are staying between P and T. T who does not stay on the topmost floor. So, in the first case, T will come here, two caps. In the second case, T can come either on the topmost or on the groundmost. But it is saying that T is not staying on the topmost floor. So T will not come on the topmost. So T will come on the bottommost. Now, as many person who stay below V is the same as the person who are staying above U. So below V is same as above U. So in the first case, below V is how many? 1, 2, 3. So above S above U also should be 3. But V and U are collapsing on the first case. So it will be discarded. Second, number of person below V is 1. So number of person above U also will be 1. Now S stays 2 floor below R. So S is staying 2 floor below R like this. R is not staying on the topmost floor. That means R will come here, S will come here, and who is left? Among P is done, Q, yeah, Q is left. So Q will come on the second one. Okay. So this is the answer for your question number, set number 2. These questions are very easy, low level. Once we complete the low level questions of all the puzzles, then we'll move to the high level. Now, this question. Very easy. Question number 11 to 15. Anyone, if we can solve, then you can just quickly type in the comment box. Okay. In this also, 7 people live on the 7 different floors. So that means 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Three conditions we will make. Now, question starts from here. Two persons live between M and N. So 2 persons are staying between M and N. Direction is not given. N lives just below H. So N is living just below H. Now, I lives 2 floor above J. I lives 2 floor above J. That means 1 person's gap. As many people lives below M as above H. So above M, I will write it here. Above M is equal to below H. Now only 1 floor is between H and K. So only 1 floor is between H and K. L lives above M but not adjacent to H. So L lives somewhere above M. Okay, but L and H are not adjacent to each other. So sometimes questions are very short, but they are tricky. Means they can force you to form multiple conditions. Till now we have 3 conditions right in front of our screen, and we will try to minimize the condition as much as we can. Okay. Now, I will suggest you to look at these 2 lines, M and N. Now, look at here. First, second, and third. When we combine this, that there are only 2 people between M and N, and N is living just below H. So only 2 condition is arising in this case. Okay, I'll write it down. Either it should be M Either it should be M dot H and then N. This is the first case. Or it should be M, then dot again. Sorry, not this one. Because H is on the N is immediately below H. So it should be either H, then N, and then 2% gap, then M. So this is the only two conditions we have when we keep N and H together. Now, when we look at the first condition, we also know that the person above M is equal to the person below H. So the person above M is equal to the person below H. Now, what happened in that case? So we have to arrange in such a way. For example, if I take M in the first condition I'm talking about, okay? M I take here, then one dot H will come here. And then I will place my N here. So that the number of person above M is 2 and the number of person below H is also 2. First case. And there is only one way to do it. There is no other way. If you place M at the 6th position, then 1% will be above M, but 3% will be below H. Now, so this is done. Second case, H, N, dot, then M. So in that case, what we can do? H I can place here. Okay. Then N I can place here. Then 2 dot, then M. Now see, number of person below above M is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And number of person below H is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is also done. So we have combined the statement number 1, 2, and 3 so that we can minimize the condition. So once you start combining the statements, your conditions will be reduced. Next, L is staying somewhere above L. Okay, that is the second part. Now, only 1% is there between H and K. So in the first case, K will come here. Okay, now K cannot go above H because M is there. In the second case, K will come here. Okay, now it is saying that only 1% is staying between I and J. So only one possibility in the first case, that is I is here, J is here, and only one possibility in the second case, if I is here, J is here. Now it is saying that L is staying above M. L is staying above M. In both the case, all the conditions satisfied. But last line, that M is not adjacent to H. Sorry, L lives above M but not adjacent to H. This line is getting violated in the condition number 2. So answer will be condition number 1. L, I, M, J, H, and K. So when you merge two sentences, your number of possibility reduces. Note it down. Or take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of this one. Okay. We will take up this question. The question number, set number 3rd, or set number 4th will be homework for you. Now in this, 8 persons, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T are staying in an 8-story building, but not necessarily in the same order. The bottommost floor is numbered as 1. Now it is given that the consecutive alphabetically named person does not live on an adjacent number floor of the building. That means M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, S, T will not stay together. So we have to remember that condition. And which are the people? We have M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So altogether we have 8 people. Now 8-story building, I will draw like this: 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3 conditions I have drawn irrespective of the. Let's see. Now Q lives in odd number floor. and 3 floors below R. So Q is living 3 floors below R. That means 2 floor gap between R and Q. And Q is living on an odd number. So now see, Q can either live on the third, Q can live either on the first. So if Q is living on the third, R will come on the 7. In this case, R will come on the something we missed. Yes, sorry, one number we missed. Three conditions anyway. Positions are right. Okay. In the first, then R will come here. And one more condition, if Q comes on the fifth, R comes on the highest. Now, S lives between Q and R. Now, S is living between Q and R. And we know that R, S cannot be together because of the consecutive alphabet. R or S cannot be together. That means S will come here. S will come near the Q only. It will not go near the R. So this is done. This is also done. Next, only 2% lives between S and T, who does not live on the bottommost floor. So 2% are living between S and T. Now we will see the arrangement. Now in the first arrangement, if I number it as first, this is second, and this is third. So in the first arrangement, two ways. Okay. Either S can live on the T can live on the seventh, or T can live on the first. But given in the condition that T is not living on the bottommost floor, so T will go on the seventh one. Again, 2 floor between S and T, it will come here. 2 floor between S and T, it will come here. This is also done. Next, P lives on an even number floor. So P lives on even number floor. That means what? P is living on the 2, 4, 6, or 8. Now, the number of floors above P is same as below M. So we will merge these two statements. P is living on an even number floor and number of floor above P is same as below M. So look at the first condition. In the first condition, only possibility of P is 8 or second. Correct? Now, if we place P at the 8th one, then M will come on the first one. Okay. But if we place the P at the second one, then M has to be on the 7th one, which is not possible. So we will place P over here and M over here. Next line. Second conditions. P can come on the 6th or 8th. If P comes on the 6th, then M will come on the 3rd. But if P comes on the 8th, M has to come on the Q, that is first, which is not possible. So P will come here and M will come here. In the last condition, only one option we have, two options. If P comes here, okay, then M has to come in the place of Q, which is not possible. So we will take P over here and we will take M over here. Now, so this is also we have replaced. Next line. The number of floors above P. Okay, this is completed. O lives 3 floors below N. Now O N O N O N N. Now O lives 3 floors below N. O is living 3 floors below N in the third condition. O is living 3 floors below in the first condition also. Second condition will be ruled out. Now, two conditions we have, but at the end only one condition will be right. What is that? We will see. Consecutive numbers should not place together. But if we see OP and PO are the consecutive alphabets. So they will be not placed together. So answer will be only first form. Take a screenshot of that. Now, question number 26 to 30. Fifth question. 8% L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S are living in a story building. The lowermost is numbered as 1 and the topmost floor is numbered as 8. No two persons live on the same floor. Okay. So there are 8 people. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now, R lives 3 floors above P. R is living 3 floors above P. Now, P who lives in odd number floor, that means P is living either 1, 3, 5 and 7. Now, since R is living 3 floors above P, P coming at the 7 is not possible. So, P can come either on the 5th, in that case R will come on the 8. If P comes on the 3, then R will come on the 6th. If P comes on the 1st, R comes on the 4th. Okay. Next. Q lives above R, but not an odd number. No. So Q is living somewhere above R. But Q is not living in odd number pool. That means Q is living on the 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, in the first case, Q cannot come on the top. So it is discarded. Second case, Q will come here. Okay. Third case, Q will come either on the 6th or on the 8. But we will just look at the next line. Next line is saying the number of floors above Q is same as below S. Now, number of floors above Q is same as below S. So, in the second case, it is clear that S will come at the first. In the third case, if I take Q at the 6th, then S will come at the third. But if I take Q at the top, then S has to come on the bottom, which is not possible. So Q will come on the 6th, and in that case, S will come down. Now, M lives immediately above O. Now, M lives immediately above O. We have only two possibilities. Either M will come here, O will go there. Either M will come here or O will go there. The number of floors between O and L is the same as between S and P. Now, O and L is same as between S and P. So, in the second condition, between S and P, there are one people. So, between O and L also has to be one person. Again, in the third condition, S and P, there are only one person. So, O and L also one person. N lives below L. Now, N will come here and N will come here. Given that N lives below L, that means third condition is following, second condition is wrong. Because in this case, N is staying on the top of L. Till now, 5 puzzles we have solved. Take a screenshot of that. Now, we'll solve the 6th puzzle, puzzle number 6 for the day. 8 persons are living in a story building. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, C lives on the 5th floor. C lives on the 5th floor. only 3% are living between C and A. So in the first case, there are only one possibility, C and A. H lives on an even number floor but above C. So either H can come here or H can come here. Now only 2% are living between H and B. That means 1 to B will come here. Now B will not come here. So only first condition will sustain. Now G lives immediately above D. So only one option. G lives immediately above D. F lives above E. F lives above E. It was a very simple question. Actually, you could have even solved in 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. In 1.5 minutes, this question was. So this is your correct arrangement. This was a very easy question. 1 minute, I will say. So altogether 6 we have solved. 1 I have given for the homework. Now take this one as a screenshot for the homework. Question number 2 for the day. You have to practice it. I think this is the same one which I have given earlier. Okay. Repeated question. Okay. Take this one. This one. This one as a homework. And the last question for the homework. Okay. This question you have to solve and see whether you can solve it or not. Okay. So thus, the last time we did box based, today we did floor based. Next time we will see on the age or on the designation list. Okay. And many people must have given JSO paper yesterday. So in one class we will discuss the question paper of JSO also, few questions. So you can submit the number of questions or which question is difficult for you, so that we can discuss the same in the one of the live class. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.